Hey, what's up, everybody? It's RG at Armadillo Junction. We're out playing in the little Teardrop camper today. Gonna do some upgrades, build me some shelves and stuff. So y'all come along and see what I got going on. Alright, as y'all can see, space is at a premium and a 4x8 camper. Already got the overhead shelves back there. We keep a lot of camping supplies in, towels and some of our clothes. I'm gonna put me a large shelf here to store stuff, maybe one over the window. I'm gonna leave the front open because I got my TV that goes up there. I may build some small shelves on the side on top of my coffee maker cabinet. But anyway, I'll see what I come up with. Alright, I got me a little reclaimed shelf here. Came from somewhere. Found in the garage when we moved. So I'm going to cut it down so it'll fit. Pretty nice looking little shelf. So anyway, that's what we're going to do. Alright, well, that's what I got today. Got me a little double decker shelf built. As you can see, she's already putting decorations up there. So that'll help out, give us a little more room to store stuff. I changed my mind on building any more back there. Still got to do the solar and the battery install. I haven't done that yet. Anyway, it's coming along. We'll see y'all next time. Right on down the road.